everyone, welcome again to your Apna channel. So now as you already know, Samir recruitment is out and now we are starting our journey towards this Samir Scientist B post 2023. Okay, so this video is all about your exam pattern and syllabus, and the next video will be your definitely preparation strategy video. So let's start the video. Okay, so now basically see, this is the second recruitment. Okay, they are conducting for Scientist B post. Earlier also they recruited for 2018. Okay, at that time approximately 2 years they took to conduct the exam, obviously because of COVID, and at that time they conducted their own exam. Okay, but this time as we can see the contract is in NILET hand, so NILET will take care of the exam of Samir, right? So we can expect something change in that exam pattern. Okay, little change we can expect, but definitely we can't wait till your official update. So whatever I am going to tell you, the exam pattern will be based on the previous recruitment which is conducted by Samir. Okay, not NILET. This time NILET is conducting, right? So till we get the official update from NILET, we will follow this thing only. Okay, and once I will get update, definitely I will share with you guys, right? Okay, so see, basically you have total time of 2 hours for your paper. Okay, two sections will be there. One is your technical section and one is your non-technical section. Now here basically total questions we have 60 only. Okay, how much? 60 questions. Now see, the pattern is much more, they try to simulate with the GATE exam. Okay, means they will put 1 mark also, 2 mark also. Like in technical they will ask you 40 questions and in non-technical they will ask you 20 questions. Okay, here also basically I will divide 10 questions in pure non-technical and 10 questions in engineering mathematics part, right? Engineering mathematics, and this is 40 purely technical. Okay, based on the electronics syllabus, electronics and telecom, right? Okay, here basically mixed questions will be there, means 5 questions which will have 1 mark weightage and 5 questions which will have 2 marks of weightage. Okay, let me tell you one thing, that last time paper was super duper easy, means nothing was there in this paper of Samir. Okay, and that's why lots of students got good marks. Okay, so it's not like that 2 marks question is there, so it will be little lengthier, little tough. Okay, as per last year, nothing like that, but this time definitely NILET is conducting, so we can expect good variation in paper and we will prepare ourselves for every possible variation that can NILET do. Correct? Don't need to worry, because I am with you and consistently I am giving selection in NILET recruitments from NIC, STQC, MET. Okay, then अभी NTRO भी cancel हो गया, but whatever recruitment will be there of NILET, we will give selections. Okay, that is for sure. So no need to worry, just follow the guidelines and first listen carefully, right? In engineering maths also 1 mark question and 2 mark question, 5 each, like that. Okay, and here also you can say 10 questions of 1 mark and remaining 30 questions are of 2 mark. Okay, so like this combination you can see total marks are of 100. Okay, and this 100 mark they will convert it into 80. You know the table I showed you in the notification, right? 80 marks will be there for your CBT. So this 100 they will convert to 80 and 60 is our interview, correct? Okay, negative marking is there. Okay, and it is as per GATE only, means for 1 mark the negative marking will be like 0.25, and for 2 mark question negative marking will be 0.33. Okay, the 0.33 will be negative marking. So this is the overall exam pattern for your recruitment. I hope you understand that only 60 questions you will get in your exam, 10 from non-technical, 50 from technical including engineering mathematics, like that basic pattern is there. Okay, total 2 hours you will get, that's it, right? Next will be the syllabus for your recruitment which you need to prepare for exam. Okay, so in non-technical you need to prepare apti, reasoning and GK. Okay, so many of you now surprised, oh GK is there. So yes, GK is there. Last time they asked GK only and 2 to 3 questions of reasoning. Okay, apti they didn't ask, but it is not like they will not ask this time. Okay, what I told you in technical, network theory, signals control, digital electronics, analog electronics devices, communication, electromagnetic theory, micro and radar, and engineering mathematics. Okay, this is the 10 subjects we will need to study for your exam. So this is the whole syllabus, right? Now how to prepare, from where to prepare, what to do, what should I do or not, everything we are going to discuss in our preparation strategy video. So just wait for that. Okay, and those who didn't join MSP, you can join MSP now, because we are targeting Samir Scientist B recruitment. Last time also we give selection. Okay, this time also I am ready to give selection. All the best.